Hi everybody, I am Melissa with Pixie Dust Adventures.
And I'm Easton from Easton's Edge.
And today we are at Walt Disney World and we are in our room at Port Orleans Riverside Resort and we are going to give you a tour of our room. This is a standard room, 2 queen beds, it sleeps 4. They do have some rooms that sleep 5 with a Murphy bed. This one, not one of them because there's only 2 of us. But come on in and we're gonna show you around our beautiful room that has been refurbished recently at Port Orleans Riverside Resort.
Oh, hey guys, come on in. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the room tour. So first of all, over here, I would like to mention that everything, all the thing is beautiful, and it's all like Princess and the Frog, and it's crazy. Anyway, yeah, no, so you can see here these curtains have little frogs with crowns on in them because it's like Princess and the Frog.
Because Princess and the Frog took place in New Orleans. And this is Port Orleans Riverside. So we have Princess and the Frog hints throughout the room. And stay tuned, there's a really cool one coming up.
Okay, yeah, so we have this table for 2 here, dinner maybe, what else, like Uno, just a nice, really nice spot to just hang out. Maybe you could do some makeup here, Mom.
Maybe.
Okay, continue on. So first of all, second of all, we have this giant TV. Massive.
I know that's all that matters to you.
Yeah. Okay, then we have drawer.
3 drawers.
A drawer.
Oh.
Should I open? Okay. They're all the same, guys. And then we have a nice, big, spacious fridge here. The other thing that matters to me. And
spots you can store soda cans. These fit soda cans right in here, and this is bigger than the refrigerators in the value resorts.
It is like maybe like double.
Not quite,
it's a lot bigger. Yeah.
And what about when you want to wake up in the morning?
When I'm tired in the morning, there's nothing I want more than a nice cup of Joe.
There's coffee. There's tea. There's the Cuisinart coffee maker here, and there's creamers, sugar, sweetener.
Joffrey's coffee.
Green tea.
Of course, you have your Joffrey.
Earl Grey tea.
Joffrey.
Well, and it's the Walt Disney World 50th anniversary.
It's a special.
To celebrate the 50th anniversary right now.
Of course.
And then we have decaf.
This is a nice little armoire wardrobe doodad thingy. It's
remote?
Very cool. Of course, remote to control the TV. And a lot of ports here. So you have USB ports, and then you have the 3-prong outlets. So
lots of space to charge things. Oh.
Those USB ports definitely come in handy when you need them. But this is for ice, of course. Put ice in there if you need it. And then you have cups for the coffee, lids for the coffee, cups for water, more coffee.
And I want to interject that the germaphobe in me really likes the pre-packaged cups, that each one is wrapped individually instead of having glass cups like they do sometimes.
And also how the remote is wrapped, so you know it's nice and clean. And that's the seal. Make sure it's upside down. Make sure it's clean. Okay, so then of course we have bench, comfy. It's nice and green. It's almost like this color reminds me of Princess, like the frogs from Princess and the Frogs.
Style.
Yeah,
so you can put your luggage on it or yourself on it.
Yeah, or the luggage under it. And then you have these super nice, which as you can see, we take advantage of coat hangers or hangers for anything. And
these are like little leaves. That's cool.
And then they have this room on top to put bags, luggage, whatever. You can get the idea. But oh wait, there's also a thermostat. I almost forgot it. Poor thermostat.
Nope, but there you go. That's how you turn on the fan, set the thermostat, that kind of thing.
Make it nice and cool in here so you can go see.
Right.
But
all right, I know you're excited to show this little piece of the room.
The biggest Princess and the Frog thing.
Drum roll. That is cool. I love that curtain. It gives you privacy. for when people want to step in and out of the shower and get dressed and not have to get dressed in the little shower space. We'll show you here in a second.
Super fancy.
Goes great with the theme of the room. All right. Can you show us around?
Yes, of course. We come back over here, and we have a nice big safe in the corner, which you set the code for. Yep, got a safe here. You can imagine the kind of things you put in a safe. Places to hang up your shirts, coats, whatever. And then, of course, you have your extra pillow and blanket, which you know is unopened and clean because of these little doodads, and they're not broken. And then, of course, you have your ironing board there in the corner, and
an ironing board in case you want to get fancy.
and dress again.
All right.
Okay, so moving on.
Dual vanity.
We have Kleenex, of course, and then these nice rolled up towels. And then they have that one like hidden there in the corner.
And you do have a little bit of the H2O soaps here. There's a body lotion and a sea salt facial soap, and those smell wonderful. Oh, and like a makeup mirror.
Fancy, that does move.
I'm just gonna tell people this. I like how this shelf here is raised above the sink so that for me, I can set hairbrushes, curling irons, makeup, whatever up here. And when my kids wash their hands down here, they don't slob water all over my stuff that's sitting up here. So I like that shelf space above the sinks. And under the sink?
Under the sinks, we have two nice little towels there, but we also have a hair dryer, extra toilet paper, and big towels. Extra big towels, which we definitely need.
All right.
Okay. Moving on to the bathroom.
Oh, and there are outlets here, too.
Oh, yes,
for curling iron, hair dryer, that
Moving
kind of
back over here to the bathroom, another cool feature.
That's so pretty. Kind of another nod to Princess and the Frog.
Of course.
And it's on a curved shower curtain rod.
It looks fancy.
Yeah, well, that way it kind of gives you the feeling of having more space in the shower when the shower curtain's on a curved.
Yeah, it does. And of course, you have your floor mat towel to step out on, and more H2O plus.
Yep, the soaps are here on the wall.
Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, of course.
All right.
And just gotta demonstrate this really quickly.
To hang your swim clothes, that all the rooms have this. It's pretty standard.
And it hooks there, and you can hang your swim clothes on that to dry.
And there's the
big old shower head. No, we won't test it out because I don't feel like going for a swim right now.
And bathtub.
And of course we have the standard toilet paper, all that. But tons and tons of towels here on this wall. Tons and tons. Lots of towels.
I like the colors that they've done since they refurbished these rooms.
It is,
Very
the
pretty.
flooring is very nice.
And there are 2 queen beds in this room.
Yes.
With luggage storage underneath. So these beds are lifted.
So I don't know if we've mentioned this, but this room does sleep up to 4 people.
Yes. Yes. So I think we said that in our intro.
I think so. Probably like twice.
But you can fit luggage underneath the bed if you need to slide it under there. And I like these new redone like luxury laminate floors that look like real wood, but they feel so clean. It smells clean in here. I think they can mop them and sweep them and keep them cleaner.
I do, yeah, no. And then, of course, we have 4 million pillows, even though we don't use them. There's four pillows. We don't.
4 pillows on each bed.
We overcompensate here at Disney. So, and then, of course, we have this nice, beautiful little picture there. Look how beautiful that is.
The murals on the
And
headboards.
That's an actual bridge you can walk across.
It does look like that.
It does, yeah. No, there's a bridge that looks almost identical to that, if not identical, here at Port Orleans Riverside Resort.
I like the artwork.
And
what does that say? It's the Mark Twain?
This is the Mardi Gras on Mark Twain, yeah.
Yeah, and so the Mark Twain riverboat is like the riverboat that goes around in Magic Kingdom in Liberty Square. And in between the beds here, there are more outlets and more USB chargers. I like that because I like to sleep with my phone next to the bed where I can reach my alarm. There's a guide here, a guide to the magic. They happen to have an insert for the Flower and Garden Festival because that's what's going on right now while we're here. And light switches. So these turn the lights off that are over the top of the bed here. So you can reach those lights from your bed. I don't know if you can see that, but there's more kind of little lily pad flower decorations. Another nod to the Princess and the Frog.
Cruising down the bayou.
And then these switches control the main light in the middle of the room and the ceiling fan.
Dun dun.
So from the bed, it's nice. You can turn those on and off. The ceiling fan and the main light. I like that. I like being able to operate things from the bed.
Okay, you might have seen this coming already, but another little mural kind of thing. And you can see there, this is another house that you can see at Port Orleans Riverside.
It does. That really resembles the buildings
Yeah.
that are here at the resort.
Yeah, guys, it's so cool. So cool.
Thank you so much for joining us on this room tour of Port Orleans Riverside Room. And we hope you enjoyed it. We hope you found it helpful.
Always remember to like,
subscribe,
and leave a comment down below.
Let us know down below in the comments what you think of Port Orleans Riverside or the sister resort Port Orleans French Quarter. We want to hear about if you've stayed here or at any of the other resorts. We want to hear your input. And no matter when you go, who you plan with, we wish you a very magical adventure. If you want complimentary concierge planning assistance for your next Walt Disney World vacation, look me up. My name is Melissa. You will find me at pixiedustadventures.com. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.